BuildSuite is a contractor opportunity network, is a AI proposal engine. It's the opportunity where you have leads there, and it's a business CRM all in one platform, built especially for trade contractors in local markets. So the three things of this system is job pipeline, AI proposals, and full CRMs. Right down here, which is our build suite. So it's connecting, it connects through your CRM. Um, and this is the client side. So I'll show you the client side real quick. This is the client has 3 projects per month that they could post on it, and it shows that there's only 5 contractors that can bid on their projects, so they know that ahead of time. They will be able to see the contractors and who they are, and what they do, and that they're insured, that they're AFC warranted, what that they if they're a general contractor, the years of experience, what their average job is, and if they want to go in any further, they can click their profile and view it from there. They can also chat with their contractors. They can post more projects, and they can upload documents for their projects, so they can access you can access it right from their profile. So I'm going to go in here to our other one and access it from the contractor side. So that was the visual side of the uh, for the clients. So this is the contractor side. But for now, I wanted to kind of go over our project feeds. And so these are real projects right here that have been posted. These are new. These have already been matched. That was another thing that I haven't covered is you need to understand that this is a smart system. So when a lead comes in, it gets matched to whatever contractors. So if you look at the contractor's profile, you can actually see that they were are this is our test one here, but their name, address, how long they've been in business, their services that they offer, what their timeline is, and based off of our bid classification, it will actually put all of your license number, your statistics, uh, your things that your specific trade and how it's matched to that. So like if you're a deck builder, or if you're a general contractor, or if you're a tile guy, or if you're a fence contractor, or a concrete guy, it will base off of that. It will match that person to those. If you're a plumbing or a painter or a flooring guy or electrician or something, it will match you to that project alone. If that project comes in for that. So going down here, I'll kind of look at a couple of these, and we'll kind of see what we've got going on. This one right here, let me click on this one. This is an addition for a bedroom on a second floor that's going to be required. So what you would do is you could come in here, see these different ones. You could actually, I'm going to click on this real quick, but this is the actual job that it will show the contact informations and what it is, so you can contact them, maybe set up an appointment, maybe call them, talk to them about what their project is, if the scope of or if their description of their job is not good enough, because this one wasn't, because it just says what their address and things like that was. Um, then you could create a scope of work from here, or you can create a proposal based off of if you think it's is good enough here. What I would like to do is show you, does anybody have right now like a project that they want to actually see the scope of work, or the proposal, that what it's going to look like? Does anybody have that? Does anybody want to have one that they have right now that they want a proposal on? If not, we'll move on. But I'll get back to that one in a second if people are still looking. But this is your projects that you're already kind of estimating on, and what's actually active in your projects. This is your proposals that you have either sent out, or that you've submitted. So it will track all of the proposals that you're in here. You can see what your live proposals, my proposals in this area. But if you wanted to create a proposal, or a project that you have existing, you could come in here and create it. So we could do it this way, if you already have a project, or we could even do it this way through our deals, to create a new deal. So we'll do it this way. And let's say. Let's do a kitchen.